You. You have the power. You have the power to change. You have the power to lead. You have the power to build yourself, your block, your ward, your community better. You have the power to build the future with knowledge, with character, with strength. You can lift up our neighborhoods, create new communities, build new families, support your family, and leave your mark on the future of the real world. Yeah, it's hard work that requires grit. It's skilled work that requires dedication. It's physical work that demands teamwork.
You're awesome.
But you have the power. So show up, stand up, and build the future you want.